everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my Filipino cooking channel. This is part of my survival cooking series, Cooking Outdoors on an Open Fire. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Filipino beef stew, beef adobo, which is known in the Philippines as Adobong Baka. Let's get started. Guys, before we start the fire, make sure you prepare all your ingredients. And here are the ingredients of today's beef adobo. Cooking oil, soy sauce, vinegar, water, ground black pepper, salt, ginger, onion, garlic, tomato, beef.
Be careful, Daddy.
Thank you, Jason.
Okay.
Let's season the beef with pinch of salt. Give it a stir. Mix it up. And our beef is ready. Now we got the fire going. Let's place the Dutch oven on top of the fire. Okay, guys. Now the Dutch oven is hot. Let's add some cooking oil. Now the oil is hot. Let's add the beef. Guys, we have to brown up the beef for 4 minutes, okay? After 2 minutes, let's turn them over to brown up the other side. That's it. After 4 minutes, let's saute of garlic. Give it a stir. Brown off the garlic, guys. Okay. Now the garlic is nice and brown. Let's add some ginger. Give it a stir. Smells absolutely gorgeous. I love ginger in my beef adobo, guys, because it's very healthy and it smells good. And then we can add the onion. Mix it up. Then we can add the tomato. Now the onion and tomato is nice and soft. Let's add the ground black pepper. Mix it up. Now let's add some vinegar. And now, guys, we're going to add some dark soy sauce. Now we can add some water. Give it a good stir. Cover and bring it to boil. Now the adobo is boiling. Give it a stir. Cover back with a lid and cook it on a low heat. Let's reduce the fire, guys. That's it. And simmer for about an hour. Guys, to cook it slowly, just cook it on the coals, no flame. After 30 minutes, let's give it a stir. Cover back with a lid. As you can see, guys, just cooking on the coals. Guys, it's been cooking now for an hour, my beef adobo. Let's check it. Wow, that looks amazing. Now, let's try it. Tender and juicy beef adobo. Let's serve my beef adobo. Here we go, guys, my beef adobo cooked on an open fire, ready to serve and enjoy. You have to try this, guys. It is absolutely delicious. Survival tip, guys, always kill your fire with water. And now we can leave the campfire. I hope you enjoyed this survival cooking on an open fire, cooking outdoors. And if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. God bless. Paalam! Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, my Filipino cooking channel. Look what I found, guys. I don't know whether to kiss it, to cook it, but it does give me an idea for another recipe. Let's put him back. Oh, poor thing. Today's recipe is crispy fried frog's legs. Today's recipe is garlic fried frog's legs. Today's recipe is frog's legs, cooked in a honey and a garlic sauce. Today's recipe is palaka humba, a hot and sticky frog legs. Today's recipe is palaka kari-kari, a frog's leg stew with peanut butter. Today's recipe is hot sticky frog's legs. Today's recipe is adobong paa ng palaka, frog's legs adobo. Let's give him a kiss. Actually, don't have to. I already have my Prince Charming mark. Now let's taste the garlic frog's legs. So delicious. Try. Today's recipe is hot sticky frog's legs. Oh, I love this music. It makes me wanna dance. Oh, we have to start cooking. Perfect crispy frog legs. Now let's taste my crispy fried frog's legs. Crispy and delicious. Try some. Oh, lovely. You can really smell the garlic and honey. Serve with rice or some bread to soak up that lovely garlic butter. Ah, frog legs kare-kare. Looks delicious and tastes delicious too. Now let's try one. Wow, that's a hot sticky frog's legs. Try some. And that's a bigger one. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. Thanks for watching and see you soon.